How to cancel Google Pay auto payment. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Play Store on your device. After you're in Google Play Store, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on your profile, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on Payments and Subscriptions. After that, in here, click on Subscriptions. After that, in Subscription, you'll find all your subscriptions. You can simply select the one you want to cancel. After you've selected the one you cancel, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Cancel Autopay at the bottom left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on Cancel, it will cancel. And this is how to cancel Google Pay auto payment. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.